Hey everyone, thanks for watching Miss Kennedy's channel. I'm the boyfriend, I'm Rusty. So different type of episode today. This is one of those episodes where I fix something or I build something or that type of thing. Miss Kennedy doesn't know I'm doing this today, so she's going to find out a little bit later when she's editing that I've stolen her camera. Behind me, I've got a piece of crap chair. That's what it looks like, and a cat. The cat's not a piece of crap, she's okay. But what I got here is this junky old chair. And it just looks exactly like that, a piece of crap. Well, Steph's grandmother used to work at a restaurant or something, and she brought a bunch of chairs home. This one was given to her, so Steph has sentimental value over it. I took some sanding paper to it, I scuffed off a lot of the finish. I'm gonna paint it. She now has a really cute vanity, and she needs a cute chair to go in front of it that matches. So although it is just a plain Jane wood chair, nowadays everything from IKEA and places like that, it's all compressed wood, it's not real wood. So when you find older furniture, sometimes it can be worth it to just put a little bit of patience into sanding it, putting a little bit of time into painting it. And I know that Stephanie wants this restored, so to surprise her with it, she's really gonna lose it, and I'll let you guys watch that. So something that I always tell people: if you love someone, show them, give them little gifts, do little things. I have the day off today. It'll take me an hour to paint that. It took me an hour to sand it, and she's gonna lose it. She's gonna freak out. So if there's if you're looking for advice from a guy how to keep a girlfriend or how to keep your girlfriend happy, learn to use these. They can really make a big difference in the household. Stephanie loves it when I build stuff, when I fix stuff, when I refurbish things. She loves it. I bet the women in your life do too. So thanks for watching. I'll show you guys how this turns out in a little bit here. See ya. Hey everyone, welcome back. So I just want to give you a quick update. I'm about maybe halfway done or something like that. Put in maybe 2 hours, not one. I thought it'd be quicker, but sometimes you got to be patient. So I figured out I didn't have a tarp or a sheet. I had to use a bunch of plastic bags, but you make do with what you got, right? And so where I'm at right now, I've got a coat of white on. I'll have to do some touch-ups on it. Everywhere that's wood showing will be a second color. Quick little update. Thanks for watching. See you shortly. It'll be all done shortly, and then after that will be her reaction. So stay tuned. Thanks a lot. Bye. Hey, put your crap away, then come here.
Jeez.
Ow.
I'm coming?
Yeah, you can come.
Okay. Sorry.
You look beautiful.
I didn't think I would be so.
What are you looking at?
My chair that my grandma got me when I was a little girl. I've had this since I was like 2 or 3. I thought it was so cool. Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Come here. They haven't seen it yet. Want to talk about it?
This was a brown chair, and it was like really old. Like, it looked old because I had it since I was like 2 or something, like really young. And I've never gotten rid of it, and it has so much value to me because I remember being a kid and being like, I got my own chair, I'm such a grown up.
Is it okay that I did that?
It's amazing.
So the cushion, I still have it. I just wasn't able to redo it. Mm-hmm. So I got that. It does look cute on it, but I wanted you to see it without it. Mm-hmm. Can I have a hug? So I told your viewers, oh, let me just make sure that they can see us since I'm going to give them a hug. I told your viewers that a great way to show the woman that you love them, or to keep a girl happy that you care for, is to do nice things. And redoing a chair obviously had a lot of success. So what do you say?
I'd say thank you so much. my smile hurt, like my cheeks hurt from smiling.
I told you guys that she was gonna freak out. I told you guys that she was gonna lose it. I didn't say she was gonna cry. I was not expecting that. That was not the plan. But if you can learn to use your hands, learn to paint, learn to build things, women love it. It's, you know, your mothers still have gifts that you built when you were a kid. You know, your girlfriends, your wives, ladies. That homemade gifts mean the world to people you care for. So
even the kitties.
even the kitties. Thank you for watching. It's not the typical video from her, but please like and subscribe for similar videos and videos not similar at all. So thanks for tuning in and take care.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.